Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. Today's video is in collaboration with BTartbox for their new ombre nails that have recently launched. Let's go ahead and get into this video. The first item in the package that they sent over to me are going to be their short almond ombre nails in the tone peach. The great thing about BTartbox is that they offer a good range of sizes so that it can fit most nail beds. BTMMA technology, which is going to allow the rays from your UV lamp to actually penetrate the nail tips even after having the design on them, so that you're able to ensure that they are fully cured. They also sent me over a box of their X-Coat toe tips, which I thought were so cute, and I currently have these on my feet now, but this video is just about the hands. The application process and quality of the X-Coat toe tips are just the same as the nails. It was extremely easy for application, and they literally looked like I went to the salon and got them done. They also sent me over the trio for the X-Coat tips French protection. It comes with an instruction guide. As well as your builder gel, the top coat, and your gel glue. The builder gel can be used to reinforce the design on the nail to ensure that you don't have chipping. You would just paint it to the tip and then cap the very edge. The top coat is just to finish it off, and of course the gel glue to apply the tips. They also sent me over their UV LED nail lamp, which I will be using in today's video as well for application and to apply the builder gel and top coat. Here I'm sizing out my thumbnail from sidewall to see which nail fits best. After finding my correct sizes, I'm going in with the gel glue and the flash cure lamp. I will be applying that gel glue into the base of the nail tips and then applying a little bit of the additional product from the brush at the base of the nail tip. When I go in for application, I like to apply the nail at a 45-degree angle back towards the cuticle, and then I allow that glue to flow forward all the way down to that free edge, and then I cure it. And this is what our first nail is looking like after application. Moving on to the rest of my fingers, I'm just going to be repeating the same steps. Now that we have all of the tips applied, we are going to go ahead and clean up the shape using a pair of my cuticle nippers. You don't necessarily need to use these, but I just want to clip off any additional nail hanging from the tip, and then I'm going to go in with the nail file that BTartbox sent me over as well. And here is the nail file that BTartbox sent me over. This is a 100/180 grit nail file, and I'm just going to use this to lightly clean up that shape. This is what the nails are looking like once we've cleaned up the shape. Now I'm going in with the builder gel, and I will be using this to preserve the design on the nail. We're just using a thin layer and painting it across all of the nails and being sure to really cap the edge. And then we're going to cure it in the light again. Here I've just repeated the same steps of applying the builder gel and going under that lamp and curing the nails. And as one of our final steps, I'm just going in with the top coat and applying that to all of the nails and giving it a cure in the lamp as well. After we're done top coating all of the nails and curing it, this is going to be the final look. I really love these nail tips. I didn't know what they would look like, especially with them being of the shorter almond shape, especially with me having like slightly longer nail beds, but it turned out really great, and these are really good for the everyday person that doesn't want to do too much to the nails and you already want something that comes with a really nice and clean design. This is amazing, but again, this can be for anybody, so be sure to check out BTartbox, and I will have my discount code below for you guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.